In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gallery view in a Notion database. If you want to display your database in a more visual and easy to browse format, gallery view is a great option. It turns each database entry into a card, which makes it especially useful when you're working with content that benefits from visual organization, like projects, books, design ideas, templates, or portfolio pieces. Instead of scanning through rows in a table, you can quickly look through cards and spot what you need much faster. To get started, open the Notion database that you want to display visually. This can be an existing database that you already use, and once it's open, look toward the top of the database where you'll find the View menu. This is the area that lets you switch between different ways of displaying the same information. Click the View menu, then create a new view. When Notion asks which type of view you want to add, select Gallery View. As soon as you do that, your database will be transformed into a set of visual cards. Each card still represents one item in your database, but now the layout is designed to be more image-friendly and easier to explore at a glance. Next, choose what each gallery card should show. This part is important because it controls how useful and readable your gallery will be. You can decide which property appears on the card, so think about what information matters most when you're browsing. For example, you may want to show a status, a category, a date, or a short description depending on how you use the database. If needed, add images, covers, or page previews to make the gallery more visual. This is one of the biggest advantages of this view. If your entries include visuals, adding them can make the database feel much more organized and engaging. It also helps you recognize items quickly without opening each one. After that, adjust the card size and visible properties. Larger cards can make images easier to see, while smaller cards can help you fit more items on the screen at once. You can also fine-tune which details remain visible so the layout stays clean without hiding information you need. Once everything is set up, use Gallery View to organize items like projects, books, templates, or portfolios. It's a simple way to make your database feel more visual, more polished, and much easier to navigate. If you want your Notion workspace to be both functional and visually appealing, Gallery View is definitely worth using.